Number 1. 1973 Pontiac Lemans, $7,000, Rialto, California. This 1973 Pontiac Lemans is an affordable entry into the muscle car world. Equipped with a rebuilt automatic transmission and a strong 400 cubic inch big block V8 with a high-performance carburetor, it offers real potential as a weekend cruiser or project. Corvette wheels and newer tires enhance curb appeal. It needs interior work including rear panels, dashboard, and headliner, but the seats are in good condition. A clean title rounds out the package. Number 2. 1977 AMX Hornet, $9,500, Bassett, Virginia. This rare 1977 AMC AMX Hornet is a survivor with character. It features a 304 cubic inch V8 and an upgraded Edelbrock AVS2 4-barrel carburetor. The automatic transmission is console mounted with gauges, and factory air conditioning is present, though still using R12. The original firecracker red paint has faded, but the body is solid. Interior is in excellent shape with working gauges, emergency brake, and horn. It comes with rally wheels, chrome trim, original spare tire, and jack. Number 3. 1960 Triumph TR3A, $9,950, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. This 1960 Triumph TR3A is a charming British roadster with 83,000 miles and numerous new parts and upgrades. It runs well and is garage kept, making it a reliable town cruiser. Known for its classic open-top driving experience and timeless design, the TR3A is a favorite among European sports car enthusiasts. It comes with a clean Colorado title and excellent mechanical upkeep. Number 4. 1970 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, $15,000, Whistler, British Columbia. Fully restored and rust-free, this 1970 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback is a rare find in excellent condition. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it's a joy to drive and draws attention with its clean red paint. A standout example of Volkswagen's air-cooled lineup, it represents a unique era of German engineering and style. Number 5. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette, $20,000, Hudsonville, Michigan. This frame-off restored 1973 Corvette is a high-performance driver built with no expense spared. Powered by a 350 cubic inch small block, it features a Richmond 6-speed transmission, Willwood brakes, stainless steel lines, Edelbrock intake, and modern digital cruise control. The flame blue metallic paint pops, and the interior includes new door panels. The extensive upgrades make it a serious sports car for any classic collector. Number 6. 1979 Pontiac Formula Firebird, $19,500, Phoenix, Arizona. All original and labeled the last of the muscle cars, this 1979 Formula Firebird is a clean survivor with 87,000 miles. It retains its stock V8 engine and features a new AC compressor, shocks, and tires. The body is straight, the interior is in good condition, and the car is a dependable driver. A solid investment for muscle car enthusiasts who appreciate originality. Number 7. 1968 Lincoln Continental Sedan, $18,000, Omaha, Nebraska. This iconic Lincoln Continental with rear suicide doors on a 460 cubic inch V8 and has 113,000 miles. It includes many new parts: alternator, air conditioning conversion, rebuilt power steering, and custom trunk. While the undercarriage is rusted and the engine leaks oil, the interior is original and comes with extra gaskets. A restoration-ready flagship sedan with classic appeal. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $18,500, Independence, Kentucky. This base model 1968 Camaro with a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and power glide transmission is a complete and drivable car. It has rust in the usual spots but includes newer tires, radiator, and battery. Power is manual throughout, and there is no air conditioning. A solid candidate for a project or resto mod with all major systems functional and a clean title. Number 9. 1957 Chevrolet 210, $19,000, Forestville, New York. A Southern classic in like-new condition, this 1957 Chevrolet 210 has 98,000 miles and no rust. It features a rebuilt automatic transmission and a well-preserved interior. Though it lacks power steering and brakes, the car runs excellently, perfect for collectors seeking a true 57 icon that needs nothing and stands tall in originality. Number 10. 1965 Ford Thunderbird 2-door hardtop, $18,500, McAllen, Texas. This beautifully maintained 1965 Ford Thunderbird comes with a 390 big block engine, original power options, disc brakes, working factory air conditioning, and flawless interior and exterior. It has new tires, power windows with new motors, and upgraded Bluetooth wiring. All lights and gauges work except the gas gauge, replacement part included. A garage-kept, well-loved cruiser with smooth performance and classic styling. Number 11. 1975 Ford Grand Torino, $25,000, East Hampton, Connecticut. Professionally restored and fitted with a built 545 cubic inch engine producing 600 horsepower, this 1975 Gran Torino is a beast. Upgrades include COS heads, TCI transmission, trick flow intake, MSD ignition, and full documentation. Originally equipped with air conditioning, power steering, and brakes. It has been stored for 3 years and is in like-new condition. A muscle car that blends street performance with show car quality. Number 12, 1973 Dodge Charger SE, $21,500, Homewood, Illinois. This 1973 Dodge Charger SE is a rare special edition model built at the Lynch Road plant, featuring a factory manual sunroof and halo top. One of just 2,494 SEs with a sunroof, it represents the luxury-oriented side of Dodge's sport luxury equation. With 104,100 miles in excellent condition, it is a true survivor with rare options and high collectability. Number 13, 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, $21,200, Denver, Colorado. Owned by the same family for 11 years, this 1972 Cutlass S is a lightly upgraded original. With only 1,500 miles driven per year, it features a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, front disc brakes, aluminum radiator, and more. The original interior includes a factory radio and 8-track player. It comes with all original parts for purists wanting to revert it. A beautifully maintained and dependable cruiser. Number 14, 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $25,000, Houston, Texas. This 1971 Cutlass is offered due to an international move and features a rebuilt transmission, upgraded sound system, new tires, and a new hood. With 92,000 miles and a 6-cylinder engine, the car runs well, but has minor interior wear. The title is currently missing, which is an important consideration for prospective buyers. A solid classic with good bones and tasteful updates.